Hey, Larry here with PriceIt Software. Just wanted to show you folks a new feature that's available to you. In the past, when you've uploaded a DST file, there really wasn't a visual representation of it, so you never really knew if it was the right one, or it could cause some mix-ups. So what we did is that we've made it now so you can see that DST file once it's uploaded. It'll render it. Let me show you how to do that now. So we are on an embroidery job. I'm going to click on Artwork, and then there's a button right here next to the created button, or next to these buttons right here. You'll see one here, and one here. So the way it works is you click here, and we're going to upload a DST file here, and then it's going to render it so you have a visual of what it looks like. So of course this is upside down because that's the way the DST file is, so it could be used for the application, but it works pretty well with any DST file. From here you can do whatever you need to do with it, but it does give you that visual representation of the file that you've uploaded. All right. Hope you enjoy that feature. Let us know what you think. If you have any questions, give us a call, 802-257-5188. Thanks.